Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching me today. My name is Peter. Welcome back to another edition of Peter Ad. So today I'm going to be talking about, how I lost money in the stock market and the mistakes I made that I wouldn't want you to make in the process of investing. So I'm going to highlight the 6 mistakes I made that still cost me till today. Started investing a couple of years ago, but there's some process I had to go through, to get to where I am today in this journey of, financial freedom. So I started investing a couple of years ago and I started buying some random, but the mistakes I'm going to highlight today is probably going to, set you up on the positive path because you learn from other people's mistakes. That's what they say. So if you're seeing me for the first time, my name is Peter As. Please subscribe to the channel, like, and put your comment down below. So straight away, let's go to the point. I don't like, making my video longer than 10 minutes. So within 10 minutes, I'm going to analyze it and you're going to pick your point as well. So the first thing is, I don't know why I was buying the stocks I was buying. So I just jump into the market. A friend told me, oh, you need to start investing. This is how to make money. This is where people are making money. So I was like, okay, I just jump on a platform and start putting money in, and before I know it, I start making so many mistakes. So I was just buying this company, because I use this company, I use this cream, I need to buy it, or because I use this train station, I need to buy the company that actually look after this train. I was just buying random company, and guess what, till today I still have them in my portfolio. Some of them are minus 80%, minus 70, minus 60. But guess what? The Oracle of Omaha says, don't lose money. And the second advice is never lose money. So I have actually bought them. I put them in there. I'm not going to sell them until I break even in those stocks. So don't just buy stocks just because you want to buy stock. You must have a tangible reason why you want to hold that stock. So I bought them just for, just randomly, and they're still in my portfolio in red randomly. So the next one is I was buying at the top, right? So because I not been to the process where how to, put my strategy in place, when to buy, how to buy, and what to buy. I have not even gone through that process. I was just buying the company as I see them. Oh, I like this one. The logo look nice. This company should be doing this. Oh, this thing is going to be all right. I think I'm going to get some, good quick money from this company. And I started buying this company and I started buying at the top. So I didn't know where to buy, when to buy, and which entry point I need to go through. So I was really, they say dollar cost. I was dollar cost averaging at the top of the price. So I was just buying randomly and also buying at a very expensive prices. So that's why, as a new investor, if you're watching me, you're new in this process, you need to understand, the reason why you want to buy this company. That answers the first issue I highlighted. So you need to know why you're buying this company. You need to know why you are actually going to put your real money, into this company and to be part of this company. So if you cannot answer that question, there's no point in you buying that company. So now to answer the second one, I said I was buying at the top. Do not buy a company at the top. If you don't know how to go about this, there's so many YouTube videos out there that tells you the entry points. I'm going to highlight the answer in the next one that answers this other one on how to get a particular good entry point for your stock. So I was buying at the top because I was a novice. I didn't know what to do. I don't have a clue what I was doing. I was just buying randomly. You don't want to be like me, going blind, putting your real money in the market. Those companies, some of them are still in my portfolio. Some of them I sold them at loss. I still hold some of them because I was like, I need to break even and get my money out of those companies. So mistake everybody make. As a new investor, people lose money. Stock market doesn't guarantee you're going to win. Sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. But even if you're going to lose, at least you know that, yes, you made a mistake. You've done your due diligence. You lose because you didn't do this. You didn't ask for this. You didn't understand this. That's why you're losing. Not like you're losing blindly. So never buy a company at the top. The next one is I have no clue about charts. I don't understand chart. I don't understand the candle. I was like, what's this candle? Red, green, what does this mean? This line, what's this all about? People are saying, oh, you need to understand the chart and all that. So I never, go through a process of understanding the chart, how to read the chart, MACD, moving average, and all that. I didn't have a clue what I was doing. Never had a clue what was going on with the chart. I was like, do I actually need a candle? Do I need to study a candle before I buy my stock? Yes, you do need to understand how to read a chart. That answers the previous, problem I had when I was investing. So because I don't understand the chart, I don't know my entry level, I don't know when to buy, and because I don't understand the chart. So if you understand the chart, if you study the chart, there's some basic training that you can go through. You don't have to be a chart master before you understand this principle. You need to understand, okay, this chart, this candle, okay, this is the resistance, this lower low, higher high. This one is just like 50-day moving average, 100-day moving average. You just need to understand those principles. And there's so many videos out there. I'm not going to extend this video to explain that, but there's so many videos out there in YouTube now that you can know and understand how to read a chart for a beginner. If you're a beginner, so you need to understand these. That will probably help you to put your money in the right place in the right time. So I never understand the chart, never understand the candle, and I paid dearly with my money because of this mistake. So you don't want to make that mistake. Understand the basics of reading a chart. So the next one, I had no strategy. So because somebody told me, Peter, it's just this company, I was told by my uncle, a boss of my uncle said this company is going to be putting this in place in a couple of months, so you need to start buying. And I was just buying without strategy. I have no exit plan. I have no plan when to take my money out. When I want to put money, I was just putting money in randomly. No strategy. If you are investing blindly, if you have no strategy, guess what? You will lose money heavily. And stock market knows how to batter people. You will pay with your hard-earned money if you don't understand it. So you must have a strategy. When the price of my stock reaches this level, this percentage, I want to cash out. Know when to cash out. If you see this poster put up there, like no one ever lost money taking profit. Know when to take your profit. Understand the profit taking in the stock market. So if you have no strategy, you just buy blindly, leave it there to run. It might be going down and you still do like cost averaging going down. You get burnt easily. So something they call the falling knife. You put your hand under a falling knife, well, you start bleeding. So your portfolio is bleeding and you're dollar cost averaging to a random company without any strategy. That's going to cost you. It cost me, and I'm teaching you not to do that so that you will not fall a victim just like me. All right. So the next one is herd mentality. Herd mentality is when a group of people say, oh, this company is gonna blow up. Let's just start buying. When the issue of Shiba, went up there, 2021, people were rushing to buy Shiba, but the people that made money in Shiba, are the early birds. People that came early, they made money. See, the people that came late, they're still paying dearly till today. So if you want to follow the herd, you probably need to be the front of the herd, not the back of the herd. You want to be ahead, be the front line of the herd to win big in this stock market. So if you're following the herd, understand, this company has already run, this cryptocurrency has already run, it's too late now, and all that. Look at GME and AMC. People that bought early when AMC was cents, it was in 47 cents, 27 cents. Remember when it went to 50 cents and all that stuff? They made loads of money. Some people bought AMC at 60 cents, now $60, $50. I mean, when it went from 70 cents to $50, and GME went from $7. Honestly, I remember something now. I saw GME when it was at $7. 2021 before it started running. GME went to $350. Imagine $500. People that made money are the ones that bought when GME was $7, $10, $15. They made loads of money, but people that actually got burnt were the ones that bought at $500. GME today is 20 something dollar. It went up the other week. It's 20 something dollars. So if you follow ahead, you better be in the front of the herd. If not, you're gonna get burnt. I followed the herd, I lost money, but I've learned my lesson now, and it's helping me in the journey of these financial freedom. So you don't want to make this mistake. You want to be ahead. And the last one is, I was trading with emotion. Sorry, I wrote everything down because I don't want to mix them up. I want to tell you guys the way, I actually wrote them down. So I was trading with emotions. I was like, oh, because I love this company, my uncle works in this company, I was buying this company. Even the company was bleeding, I wouldn't sell the company. I let the company run low, run down. And, I was holding the bag minus 70%, minus 80%, still holding the bag. So don't trade with emotions. Understand when to cash out. Understand when to agree, accept that you've lost money now. Just take whatever is left and walk away until you run your portfolio down to minus. So never trade with emotion. Know when to buy, when to sell, and when to hold a company. Guys, these 6 points I think will probably help you in your journey if you're new or if you're a beginner on the process of investing in the stock market. So watch this video over and over again and don't fall a victim to any of these points that I've mentioned. Guys, thank you very much for watching today. I'll see you some other time. My name is Peter. Please, if you have not subscribed, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.